Okay, it's been a while since the Spitfire.
Low rates, middle rates, high rates.
See if we can. It's a wet field. Wow. Let's see.
I don't have anybody sticking a photograph.
See here. Bring it back over. Looks like it's pretty trimmed out.
Gear up.
Gears are up. Has a roll to the left.
Trim center.
Whoa, this is a smooth flyer. I think this is already pretty balanced. Let me see. So you got a little right roll, left rudder. I trim this out. Let me see. Oh, it's starting to pitch up.
I should have paid more attention to your takeoff because you got it up there.
Oh, yeah. You just hold the elevator.
Yeah.
And then you should be able to get up.
Trim center.
You mean pull the elevator back so that...
So your tail's pinned to the ground.
Yeah.
And it wants to take off.
Oh, pretty.
Oh, this is a smooth flyer. Oh,
Yeah,
I'm liking
nice
this.
Bird. Just saw a program where they had to disassemble one after preparing it for flight in Britain and then selling it to a customer in America.
Oh, okay.
So it's interesting to see how much trouble they had to go to pull that thing apart.
Oh, didn't do that too well.
I should have my regular camera out here so that I could swing in on that and try and zoom on it while you're having fun.
Oh, absolutely. This is the fun part. Now I see if I can, if the belly will stay facing the ground when I come to land.
Mm-hmm.
That's the question.
Trim center.
Let me see. Let me see if I can figure this trim out here. Maybe it was already centered before. I didn't need to do anything. It's got a left roll to it. I'll make the adjustments after I bring this in. Let's see, it's got a left roll. See, now it's rolling to, whoops, wrong trim. me see if I can get this mechanically trimmed out after this flight.
One minute and 59 seconds, 14.6 volts.
Oh, it's gonna almost be time for me to land.
That's a 4S battery.
It is a 4S.
Yeah, so you're about done.
It's a 4000 4S.
I was just listening to the overall voltage.
Okay. Let's drop these gears.
Gear down.
I'll be coming to land from the left.
Okay.
Now it's the most important part of the flight.
Nice sync.
Thank you. Oh shit.
One gear down.